Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here taking a look at the Northeast, and it's a cold but dry, largely day today. Really nothing happening. You can see the lake effect streamers coming off the lakes, pretty weak today. Just bringing some clouds more than anything. And moving forward, I tell you what, it's a boring forecast. And you might be asking yourself, well, what the heck's going on? Well, see this orange? This is looking at high and low pressure. Basically, the orange is higher pressure, the blue is lower pressure. Lower pressure, unsettled weather, high pressure, nice weather. And we're seeing a lot of high pressure. So here's today, here's tomorrow, here's Saturday. High pressure. Sunday, high pressure. Now, there is still that offshore storm we've been talking about for Sunday, Monday. It looks like it's staying there. And by the Tuesday, Wednesday timeframe next week, guess what? More high pressure. So through Wednesday, there's really not much happening. Big storm in the plains, though, middle and end of next week. That may make a run at us by Friday, Saturday next week. So all of this is to say that the short term is dry. Long term might get wet again. So in the meantime, we're going to enjoy it. But again, you might not hear from me until Sunday, because if it's dry, we're not putting a video out tomorrow. We've had such a wet pattern that we have been doing 6 to 8 a week videos for what feels like forever. But we may finally get a break from that here because the weekend looks great. So again, it's a dry Friday for the most part. There may be a few sprinkles. There's an offshore storm for Friday as well. That may bring a few, like I said, a few sprinkles to the south shore of Massachusetts. You look at the cloud cover. Again, when you get these storms, just like in the winter, right? You know, you might get an offshore storm. You actually get lake effect or ocean effect snow ahead of it. Kind of the same deal as this thing is kind of has flow like this around it. So you're getting flow onshore Friday morning. So you might have clouds and showers in eastern Mass, but that's all she wrote. This thing's staying off the coast. We're dry Friday night. We're dry all day Saturday. Boring forecast. Now, as you head towards Sunday, you can barely see that low pressure off the coast here. There it is. And it's going to stay there. So unless this changes within the next 24 hours, there will be no video tomorrow. I hope you have a lovely weekend. It's going to be a dry weekend. And looking at wind, I mean, the wind gusts through Monday are in the 10 to 20 mile an hour range. That is very light. So we have no wind concerns. We have no precip concerns. Even outside of Friday morning, having some onshore clouds southeast, not many cloud concerns either. All that we got is cold weather. Today is cold. Tomorrow's slightly warmer, 30s, 40s north, 50s south. And then as we head into the weekend, you're going to notice a warming trend. By Sunday, it's 40s and 50s north, 50s to near 60s south. And then early next week, we may pop into the 60s for a time through the middle of the week. And like I mentioned, we are watching the end of the week for what could be another system, more towards like Thursday, Friday. I mean, that's a ways out, but you know, so through Wednesday we're pretty darn warm, you know, relative to normal. And towards the end of the week, by Thursday and Friday, we may kind of press back towards normal. But the other thing for our friends in the north and anybody interested in snowmaking, we have a good period right now, right? These are temperatures at 2,500 feet in Celsius. So it's a pretty good environment through Friday night, but look it into the weekend. Temperatures well above freezing all week next week. Not really seeing much of any opportunity until, like I said, Thursday, Friday as that next system attempts to move in. So a break in the snowmaking, likely here Sunday into next week. Cold for the next few days, but again, it's dry through the weekend, and that's really all she wrote. So have a great weekend. We will be back Sunday with another video, and as always, if you have questions, feel free to reach out to us. Have a great day.